Can any ladies tell me what this pretty pink pill is? Let's see if anyone can. I'll just tell you anyways. It is the Nature Bounty hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I've been doing weekly updates every week to see how the process of my hair is growing. These are what the pills look like. I take 3 of them a day with food. I take breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Well, breakfast, lunch, and around 7 p.m. like I said in previous videos. Because sometimes I forget to take it at 12 or 12:30 Pacific time. This is what the bottle looks like. This is week 15, so a little over 2 months, and I have noticed a difference. Like I said before, I googled how long it would take, like I said in previous videos, and they said Google said you would see results from anywhere from two weeks to 2 months, and it's been a little over 2 months, and I have already seen a huge result. So in my previous videos, you've seen that this side of my hair is longer than this side, and back in July, before I started this hair, skin, and nail vitamins with biotin 5,000 mcgs, it was the same, like, it wasn't the same length. So in July, I went and got my hair trimmed, and then my hair extensions blended in. I've worn those in previous videos. You can go check them out. But anyways, I started taking the pills like 3 days after I got my hair trimmed, and I have noticed a big difference. It's the same on both sides, as you can tell. I'm in my bathroom again because there's a mirror behind me. I don't know if you can see that, but I wanted to show you like the difference. My hair is growing. It's actually growing really long in the back. I'm moving it back so you guys can see. Like, it was pretty short. It was like right to here when I cut it. So it's grown quite a bit. And this underneath is all grow out. I did dye it blue with hair conditioner by Ion. I will link that down below in the description box so you guys can hop on over there and check it out. But my hair is growing. It's not immediately magical, gonna grow overnight or whatever, but hair growth is a process, and no matter what you do to it, it grows ½ an inch every month. So, ladies, I totally recommend this. I picked it up at Costco for like $13.79, almost $14, and I'm almost out, so it's lasting me like 2 to 3 months. But I totally recommend it. I was taking the gummies, like I said before in previous videos, but you take 2 gummies a day, and those only have vitamin A and E, I think, and biotin, and they only have 2,000 mcgs of biotin in them. So you take 2, so technically you're getting 4,000, but with these you get 5,000 mcgs biotin. You take 3 of them, that's 15,000 a day technically. But I would ask your doctor about taking any vitamins before you start taking hair vitamins or whatever. I had to ask my doctor before I started taking them. So, and these have a lot more than the gummies. They have zinc, they have all vitamin Bs, they have iron, they have folic acid, and when you have folic acid alone, and alone, if you take folic acid just alone, it helps your hair grow tremendously. But if you put biotin and folic acid together, it'll grow. That's what I heard. Don't quote me on it. But this is a weekly update. Week 15, look for week 16. I'm so in love with this product by Nature Bounty. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And also, I am doing, I'm launching videos Wednesday and Saturday or Sunday, depending on how busy I am. So I cut it down to 2 days so that you guys won't be getting tons of videos every day because you might get bored with them. So I'm launching them Wednesdays and Saturdays, most likely, maybe Sundays too. So please like this video, please subscribe, and keep on watching. Look for week 16. And if you guys have any comments, tricks, or whatever, please put them down below. Thanks for watching.